Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to withdraw money on Cryptoguru app. As of 2025, Cryptoguru is a trading simulator. It uses virtual currency for educational and entertainment purposes only. You cannot withdraw real money from the app. This guide explains what's possible within the legal and intended use of the app. First, launch the Cryptoguru app on your Android or iOS device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then tap on the wallet or profile icon with review your virtual balance. These are not real funds. You may also see the withdraw option, but this typically refers to an internal app features, simulated cash outs, or leaderboard credits, not real world currency. Then redeem or use in-app points. Some versions of Cryptoguru may allow you to use virtual funds for other educational games within the app. Participate in contests or quizzes where rewards like badges or XP are given. In rare promotional cases, they may offer gift cards or vouchers, but these are clearly stated and usually have strict terms. If you're unsure what features are available, tap on the settings, support, or help center. Ask whether these are real money promotional withdrawals or contest payouts if you participated in events. Keep in mind, you cannot convert virtual trading profits into real money. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe, but for now, goodbye.